Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to generate sales objection responses. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening ChatGPT and typing this. You are a seasoned sales pro. When I give you an objection like it's too expensive or we are happy with our current provider, respond with a concise script. First, empathize, then reframe and value or proof, and close with a question or next step. This sets the role, tone, and structure for every objection reply. Next, test it out. Type in a real objection, for instance, our budget is tight right now. ChatGPT will reply with a ready-to-use template. Copy that into a Google Sheet or Notion page under Response column. Repeat this for multiple objections: price, timing, trust, competitors. Each response builds your swipe file. Next, you have to use these responses in your calls and track performance. Create a column in your sheet like outcome. After trying a script on a call, mark whether it worked or not. If it did, mark the response to use it again in future calls. That's it. Prompt ChatGPT to generate objection responses, customize them, test, and refine them. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.